Hey y'all, I'm Brer Sam. So it's about 9 o'clock right now, and my Uncle Ray and my Aunt Abby and their friend Betty are over, and we are currently doing a fireworks show. And I thought I'd share it all with you. So, enjoy!
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole.
Go on, Abby!
Poor Abby. How did she get the
She
job?
loves the fastest.
I always get it.
Oh, she loves it. Judas Priest, that's scary.
Wow!
Woo-hoo! Good
You don't
one!
get those in Connecticut.
No.
Oh, and the rainfall afterwards. It's all good.
Oh, that's just
Oh,
the.
is that what you hear?
But it's just the ashes, right?
It's just, yeah.
Just that. Just
It's all
the after
cooled off
effects.
and cold, I think.
Oh, that's funny.
Checks the back.
Oh, you can fire them up their ass.
Hey, if he zigs when he should have zagged,
Yeah.
Right. I'm just gonna record this on the stairs.
he may go a little higher than he thought.
So this is my Uncle Ray, my dad, and Betty in the chairs, and Abby's doing the fireworks.
Are you doing a movie?
And here's my mom.
Hi.
Here we go. Poof.
Wow! Woo! There we go.
All right.
Hey, here comes the back.
Comes out during the intermission. We're gonna get arrested.
Is there supposed to be more? Oh, yeah. We're just getting going here. I think it's falling on me. What's in that box? No, this box sitting right on top there.
This here.
Yeah. Doing.
Okay.
All right, so now I'm gonna light a Roman candle. It's gonna be great. So
It looks like the Statue of Liberty.
Whoa!
Come on,
Should
green.
go 10 times.
Yay, go
2,
green!
3, 4, 5.
The green ones are my favorite.
Here it goes. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay.
There's
now
a bunch of green ones.
Give that down.
Oh boy, the bar's going down.
No.
I'm going to sit in the pool.
You got the right side facing us?
I think so.
Oh boy,
Uh-oh.
we might all have to be ducking like the Battle of Britain.
This should be cool. I've never seen it.
Oh, nice.
This is so quality stuff. Go to Martin Park, remember, and see this.
Yeah. Oh, I feel it all.
Oh my goodness!
Yahoo!
I don't think.
Good job. That's awesome. There you go.
Ah!
There you go.
See, now we're doing some sparklers. And my dad's holding the camera.
Very good.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, this looks like mine won't start.
Wrap it up.
Ooh, that's hot.
It explodes.
Hey, it's
Not even like special.
There's your favorite color.
Recolor.
Wrap this up and send it to fucking Joyce. She'd miss herself. She'd love it.
Keep the buggies away.
With a match tape to where the wick is.
That's for, at least that's what's good. Sulfur's good. She couldn't be more I love Trump than anybody I know. Who's that? My mother-in-law. Oh. Oh, that's hilarious.
Bugs. Bugs aren't supposed to like the smoke.
I know.
Go away,
They're
bugs.
sick. They're sick bugs.
Oh, we're back to green.
I mean, is that the Clancy's?
And just put it on the ground there.
Should we bring this up onto street level?
When you get there,
We
Ray?
could if you
Huh?
want the neighbors to enjoy.
I got a gift. You might
And
have a
this
little
ain't
blind
all. We
spot.
still have the big finale. You ready for this, Uncle Ray?
I'm ready.
Dad?
Loving it.
Betty?
Pay
ready.
attention over
Mom.
there, Sam.
Love it.
All right. Here we go.
Let's see what this one was. Saturday night special.
Woo!
Nice.
Streamers.
Love it.
Hey. Come on, give me my green. Come on, right here. Oh, that's hot.
Freaking awesome! I got no rain and shit on me.
Look at Milty.
Yeah, Milty's like,
What's going on? in
Yeah,
that
Milty,
backyard?
my dog.
like somebody's getting killed.
That was awesome.
That's a good one. Nice.
That's it.
And I got ashes raining down on me, and they're really hot.
Oh, yeah.
That one was awesome.
That was great.
It
Yeah.
finished really nice.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah.
that was a grand finale.
Yeah, yeah.
Woo!
Woo!
I'm glad we popped that one tonight.
See,
Yeah.
Sammy, it's better than Hoodsies.
You betcha.
Thank you, Uncle Raymond and Auntie Abby.
Yeah, shout out to you guys.
Oh, we are crowd pleasers.
Yes, yes. All right, your firecrackers.
Pack them up. What's
Yeah,
left?
those
Dead
are all
soldiers.
dead.
Back them up.
All right, that was good. That was good, guys. That went really well. I love the fireworks. I love fireworks, period. And I'm sorry for the dark camera work, but at least you got to hear my family's reaction. Well, that's it for this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching the fireworks. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.